Here we go. We are on the way on YouTube. Awesome. Let's get the chat here. Perfect.
Just gonna give a like now.
Yeah, yeah. All right. All right. That looks good. Perfect. Perfect. Awesome. All right. So officially, welcome, guys. Welcome to this live session. We are February 4th, and we're gonna deal with NFP today. So hopefully everyone's ready to be just chilling or be very, very careful, right? Guys, I mean, NFP can be crazy, guys. If it's your first time trading NFP, man, oh man, it's like Super Bowl of Forex, basically, you know. So which is kind of cool because it's Super Bowl Sunday, right? So yeah, all right. So let's do the top-down analysis right now. All right, so let me just wait for people on YouTube to jump in so I don't have to repeat myself like 4 times. Um, while YouTube is joining slowly, just double check that I sent the link in my group also. Sent it on Slack, but I think I forgot my group. No, actually, they got it. All right, perfect. This to black. All right, you guys sound is good?
Yep.
Okay, perfect. I'm gonna try something because Mac told me that if I get sound from my original speaker and I use the original mic of the Mac, technically people on YouTube should hear people on Zoom. So hopefully that's gonna work. Because lately um I was not able to get the YouTube people to hear the Zoom people. So we'll see how it goes. All right, so let's start. All right, so let's take a look here at GJ. All right, so we're on GJ on the monthly chart right now. As we just started a new month, this candle went down, created bottom wick, and shoot it up. Yesterday was just a crazy day. I think it was an amazing day. It was just like, wow, man, it was quite something to see a GJ move like this. It's been a while since I didn't see a huge spike like this. Um, but yeah, so basically, I mean, we broke previous high, respected previous low on the monthly. I'm aiming this wick fill on the monthly eventually for target. And eventually, I mean, we're gonna get some clean ass traffic here on GJ. So look at this wick fill here on the monthly. So it's gonna be pretty crazy month. I think February is gonna be awesome, man. February is gonna be awesome for all the month that we've been. It's GJ was a little rough, but now I think we're gonna get it pretty good now. So looking at the 4 hours, weekly, sorry. Looking at the weekly, I mean, again, respected previous low, broke previous high. So technically, I mean, we should finish bullish this week. This is the last day of the week. And again, I mean, this week fill just got filled, and the next one is going to be here on the weekly around like 144, 900. You'll see we have a resistance there on the daily or 4 hour, if I remember correctly. Looking at the daily, I mean, we established like strong support here on the daily. So this was a strong support, and we broke it yesterday. To be honest, yesterday, man, I was expecting to retrace down and correct that news, but man, GG just kept on pushing really hard. So I was like, okay. So I finally grabbed the move up there, but man, it was a long waiting game yesterday also. All right, so basically on the daily, I mean, like I said here, let me scroll down here. All right, so you see on this daily, the wick failure, this is one of the target I'm aiming at. And after that, like I said, after that, we got clean traffic again to the left, so it should be a pretty smooth run there. 4 hours, same thing. Gonna move this daily zone here under that 4 hours. And yeah, so basically here, let me just this. I did my zone previously, but it looks like it didn't save it. sharper here. Oop. Right, so right here. So all right, so looking at the 4 hour, we established support here right on the dot, that major QP at 144. So I mean, which a very nice engulfing candle. So it started push again to the upside. Again on 4 hour, it's even more clear if you look at 4 hours here. So here is my target here, which is the daily wick fill like we spoke just earlier, you know. So this 4 hour resistance right here, you know, at 144 900. And after that, like I said, I mean, we got some clean ass traffic, man. It'll be fun. Looking at 1 hour, go back here. Right. So looking at 1 hour, I mean, we were stuck into this consolidation here for a part of London session and finally broke it, close above. So technically, I mean, we're gonna retest like this week, just retest that zone. And now if we broke the previous high, we can expect price to continue up to at least next QP 750. But target was gonna be 144 900, of course. Let me just put the zone a little nicer here. Right, so looking at 30-minute, same idea here on the 30-minute. Again, we can adjust our zone. I'm gonna put it right here. So yeah, all right, so that's good. Those one was pretty good. So again, this was a little fake out here on 30-minute, came back down, closed back in the range. Now finally broke for real, close above. And the cool thing also, it actually closed above this QP at 144 500. So that gives me a good hint that we should respect that QP, especially that the next bearish candle actually closed right on the dot of that QP. So technically, we should continue up. Even if we came down here to retest, expecting price to start pushing up after retesting this zone. Yeah, that's about it, man. For that, we gotta wait. We gotta wait. We gotta wait. Um, good morning. Good morning.
Um, trying to get in capacity. So
Oh, really? I think I'm at 500. Huh. One sec. Let me go check. Zoom. All right, so bear with me. I'm gonna verify that. Of course, my password doesn't work. Of course. I heard there's a pretty good app to remember all password. I think I'm gonna need that. I think I reset more password in a day that I can actually like it's possible to do. I'm so bad at it. Here we go. This All right, so let's see here. Should be able to get where is it? Might gestion de compte, compte. Oh, ok, ok. Moyen de compte, gestion des enregistrements. Okay, so I guess we should be good now. All right, so bear with me, guys. I'm just fixing this to be able to get more people on. You know why when they try to sell you something, it's always in your face, right? And when you don't want it, now you want to do something, you want to buy something and upgrade something, you gotta find the button, right? Like, where the hell is it? It's going. So, here we go. Abonnement en attente, abonnement actuel, mettre à jour, ta. All right, so this. I want to upgrade. How can I upgrade? Sorry about that, guys. Hopefully, you guys still there. I was scared for a second. Le compte est niveau. Ça, je veux. Upgrade to Zoom United. Oh, there we go. What is that? Getting there. I think we're gonna get. Mettre le compte à niveau. Two product, one low price. Why is it so complicated to upgrade? Man, I just want to give you money, guys. Make me crazy. Okay. This one is the class Pro. Yes. The one that I want is here. All right, so the one that we need is all right, so the one increase participant up to, oh, that's what we want. There we go. We want this. Let's go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And they don't let me. I don't know if it's because I got a session in that's working right now, but it looks like it doesn't let me upgrade right now. So weird. Here. All right, guys. So I guess for now, for today, I'm gonna fix that for Monday. But for today, it looks like it doesn't let me to upgrade as I got a session live. So for today, I guess people's gonna have to go on YouTube. So very sorry about that. I don't know why, but I really thought I had the 300, not 500, but 300 program here. So yeah. Yes, really sorry about that, guys. So I guess gonna have to fix that after the stream because it doesn't let me to upgrade as I got a session running. That seems to be working. Or we'll see if we get more because I actually did it, but I don't see the payment going through. Well, so it is what it is. Sorry about that. All right, so let's get back to it. All right. All right, real sorry again. So let's get back to it. Everyone's still here?
Yeah, yeah.
All right, so I guess yeah, people's gonna have to be going on YouTube. So maybe someone can write something on Slack and write my YouTube channel. That'd be really appreciated. And I'm gonna fix that for Monday for sure, guys. Sorry about that. All right, so we got a lot of people now on YouTube. Michael, hey, what's up? I feel so connected to Zoom. Yeah, sorry, Patrick. Sorry, everyone on Zoom from Zoom on YouTube. Really sorry about that. Apologize. I'm gonna fix that for Monday. Good morning, good morning, good morning. All right, GJ Rich Strong Weekly. Yes. PBK, Sasha, go to the web and log in. Then will you be able to upgrade? Yeah, that's what I tried, but I don't know. It doesn't let me to go through. Roger's watching you from 37,000 feet sipping champagne. Maybe, maybe. Yeah, maybe. Man, it's crazy. Like, I got some random question, man. People was like started messaging me. It's like, oh man, where's Raja going? Like, dude, personal life. It's just like let the let the man alone. It's just like, geez. He doesn't have to put everything on social media, guys. He still have a personal life. Um, Good morning, Sasha. I'm back in the Gulag. Oh yeah, sorry, Pips. Pips, hooray. Super strong resistance, 144, 600. I don't know about super strong. Double check, but man, it's so far. Yeah, I don't think it's there's a super strong resistance, just like probably minor resistance that got formed in 30 minutes, and yeah, that's it. Um, 30 minute. All right, so let's go check your message. GJ create support. I'm not gonna trade as it reached that strong resistance. Okay, since we're expecting high impact GPP news soon, will that resistance might be break with NY volume? Yes. Yes. As you see, I was talking about this price to come back down and retest this zone with a wick. And he actually did start to reject, and now it's gonna close above that QP in 2 minutes, right? So we're gonna form support, so we can expect price to come back up. The only thing that I don't like is this previous candle here on the 30 minute actually didn't broke previous high. That's my only thing I don't really like. And if this candle closed like this, it's a small body candle. So for me, there's buy or no valid at this point, so I gotta wait. BBK, check the W. Let W. W. You're on 1 hour. All right. GG is in a major weekly and daily rejection zone and will not take a long position today. I mean, sells can be valid. For me, I'm not looking to trade in this range. Okay, so let's put it up there. No, let's go chat. I don't want to trade in there. And this maybe, but depending on timing, maybe in this zone. But of course, I mean, safer sell is going to be under 144. Sells under 144 can be amazing. Because we got some clean traffic to the left. Yeah, it can be really nice, but we gotta wait and see how it's gonna go. So let's check the Zoom chat. Here. Sasha, your video was blinking. Oh yeah, that was at the first. I had to restart the computer. Um, I'm new, and that move yesterday had me in shock. Yeah, it's always crazy for people that's not used to it. Yeah, it was quite something. Sasha, I think your Zoom is maxed out. Oh yes, thanks. Yeah, yeah, that was one of the people pretty quick. So yeah, I'm gonna fix that, guys. So Zoom's gonna be I'm gonna increase the capacity for Monday for sure. I really thought I had it, so my bad for not double checking. Um, Try to restart. Blah blah blah. Okay. Okay, let's check this chart here. This chart not there. Where's my OBS software? Right here. All right, so let's check this again. All right, so this is gold. Yeah, we're gonna take a look at gold. Gold. Entry when the candle above the wick, previous candle, close 80% SLB. Yeah, I think that made sense because you had some clean traffic here to the left. TR what on 30 minute? Broke that range. Totally made sense. Yeah, I would probably actually took that same kind of buy for sure. Yeah, that makes sense totally. Um, take here. No problem, man. Thank you. All right, you are doing a good job for people. Oh, thank you, Joe. You want to risk your place in the Zoom club, Murad? People trying to leave to do something else, and they don't want to leave now. They don't want to lose their place. Limited space, man. We should leave it like this. It's VIP, man. Um, hey, what's up, Zane? Are you expecting NFP to push price up or down? We're gonna go take a look at the news. Hey, can you check my study? Sure. Look at this. All right, this is EJ. All right, EJ. So we got clean traffic here to the left. Wait for support and resistance to be formed there before the price broke the resistance. This no. 30 minute. Yeah, you're missing some zones here, dude. You should put your zone right here. It's gonna help you visually. Um, because you want to make sure you break that, and you got this right there. So yes, you want to make sure you break this one to the top to have a safer buy. And yes, of course, you got this clean traffic to the left, so that can be really good, really good. Especially here for people that I don't trade based on that, but for people that trade like market structure, I mean, you got your double bottom, so pushing to the upside. So, yeah, makes sense. Um, here's another chart. Oh, same chart. That post it. Copy. All right, GJ 30 minutes. Price create a mini resistance. Yeah, mini. I like the word mini. Um, mini. All right, so when I see price break and close above 144,546 for price to continue to 900. Yes, price break and close. Yes, but yeah. But this is a minor, like he said. So if you have a nice engulfing candle, yes, closing above, I think that can be really good. For sale, it's kind of tricky with these ranges either being too small or the range not being clean. I think clean sales can be under 144,973. As I said, yeah, 144, I guess, for clean for safer sell. Um, all right, so I guess I'm up to date in the Zoom chat, which is pretty good. Take a look at YouTube. So YouTube so far. Can anyone on YouTube tell me if you can hear people on Zoom? So can I have someone on Zoom just talk for a second?
Good morning, good morning.
So maybe the sound's not super loud, but hopefully you can hear them. No? Okay, let me try to see. I will try to get the audio. Right, this. Oh, cancel. I want to get people on YouTube to hear the Zoom chat, the Zoom people. Audio input here. All right, let's try that. Yes?
Yeah, I think so. So they're commenting yes, no.
Oh, okay, great. Awesome then. Awesome. Excellent. Hey, why you just copied Raja live video title? LOL. I don't know. I actually wrote it as I wrote it, Forex live trading. I don't know how else you want to write a title. It's just like, and Mr. Sasha, why do you not check 15-minute time frame? Also got too much stop loss in 15-minute, but we should get confirmation in lower time frame. Yes, I don't really look at 15-minute, to be honest. I sneak peek into 15-minute to see what's happening, but I'm not trading on 15-minute. And the reason why is I did a challenge with my group. Maybe, I'm so bad with time. Probably like 2 months ago, I guess. And the challenge was not taking entry on 15 minutes for 15 days, if I remember correctly, or 10 days. And after that time frame, we looked at our win ratio, and it was so much higher that we practically decided to not take not take entry on 15 minutes and focus on 30 minutes and 1 hour. So that worked for me. So it just, and I know there's a lot of people trading 15 minutes and work for them. That's awesome, but for me, it was just, I like better the 30-minute. I get less fake out, and that's it, But this trading is personal, guys. You just gotta find what's work for you and execute and be constant on it. Don't be those kind of people trying to switch from strategy to strategy to just stick with one thing, execute, practice, take note, journal, and you'll be fine. All right.
Yeah, Sasha, can I remind you just one thing quick?
Yeah, sure.
Don't forget the Frenchies. Remember, it's the French as well.
Oh yeah, but this one, it was not supposed to be a Zoom. So yeah, no, I thank you for reminding me. I'm probably gonna slip some French there and there, but since it was not a planned Franglish Zoom, and I know we're gonna get a lot of people from Slack, maybe not French, so I'm gonna focus more on English. But yes, you're gonna, guys, if you hear me switching from French to English, don't worry, because I still have a group in French joining us today, so I might insert some French in there. So don't freak out. I'll be translating everything, right? So you're not gonna be missing anything, guys. All right. So and you know what? This is a bonus. You guys gonna learn French today, so it's pretty good, right? Pretty good. So basically, let me just give and thank you for that reminder, actually, because I was going full spin here. But yeah, let me just tell those people what I'm waiting in French. Donc principalement, qu'est-ce que j'attends présentement, c'est d'avoir une chandelle qui va former un support en bullish, qui va fermer au-dessus de cette zone-là, ce qui serait la meilleure chose pour moi. Avoir une chandelle engulfing en bleu, et après ça, pouvoir prendre une entrée. Par contre, il faut rester super prudent. On est vendredi, NFP. Si j'ai pas un setup parfait, je prends pas de trade. Mon target est probablement le next prochain QP à 7,50 ou encore la résistance en 4 heures qui a à 144,900. So basically, what I'm saying is just right now what I'm looking for is a strong support with a nice engulfing candle. Take a very nice buy. But again, I'm not taking a buy, I'm not taking a trade today if I don't have a really nice setup and I want to take it before NFP, if I have to take a trade. But I'm not really looking into trading today. Most of Fridays, I don't really trade, but surprisingly, 2 weeks in a row, for the past 2 weeks, the Friday trade, actually was my best trade for the past 2 weeks. So let's cross fingers and hope we can get something nice. But again, if it's not a really nice setup, I'm not touching it. I'm going to be very, very picky on the trade I'm going to take today, if I take a trade. Because like I said, I'm not planning on trading today. But if I see something really nice, I might take it. Yes, name.
I sent you a chart on GA if you haven't taken it.
Yes.
Have you looked at GA yet?
Yeah, actually, we're gonna take a look at GA because I really like GA. Lately, I've been backtesting a lot of GA, and I really like what I see on GA. It moves pretty much like GJ. So this is GA 30-minute, looking for break and close below 79,714. Golden zone is at support level with act as extract. Oh yes. Yeah, if you form resistance around there, yeah, you should be good. You can actually, I didn't measure that range, but I mean, if you can form a resistance here, I think you can take that trade right here, and to retest the zone, it might be breaking. If you break, it might continue down, and you can have that runner continue.
If it hits a zone and it say it makes a bullish candle, then I can get out of the trade. If not, just let it go.
I see.
Also forming the head and shoulders. You trade that. Close below the neckline. Should be.
Why is it? What the hell? This is so annoying. Why keep on doing this? Why? I just want to move it. What? So annoying. Here we go. So annoying. Alright, so this is GA. What the hell? Okay, so alright, so GA here, let's remove those zones. It's 30-minute. Oh yes, and you got that shampoo pattern right here. So technically, yes, I mean, totally makes sense. This, and you got this right here. And you got this minor one, and
the one now that support is looking even better.
yeah, I think that makes sense, man. Makes sense. And how big is that?
15 pips.
Yeah, 20 pips. Not so bad. Not so bad. Yeah, if you can create a resistance like on top here, I think that's going to give you more range. And you can expect price to come down. But of course, safer one is going to be under this. Under 79,750. Man, if you can get under this. Oh, hold on. Wait a minute.
Yeah, that's yesterday's.
Yeah, this is yesterday's range, man. So, yeah, if price goes back down there, man, I'm going to be watching GA, man.
But I don't. If you go into the daily, yeah, I thought yesterday I said GA was going as a downtrend, but it's actually bullish. It was just like the last couple of days, it was just ranging because it had a big cut for last week or something like that.
Yeah. I mean, it was trending up until until yesterday, actually. It deep down and pushed back right up, and that's what I was thinking also with GJ. I thought that actually this news was priced in, so I really thought that this price, the price was, the news was priced in, so that's why it went down for like a day, and right at the news, boom, they push it back up where it was, and actually a little higher than where it was. So that was my thinking, But yeah, man, it's pretty good. Pretty good, my friend. Pretty good. Let's take a look at gold for a second. Oh, yesterday, was it here? Oh yeah, yesterday we had Franglish Zoom, right? With a lot of people, and I was expecting on the 15-minute here, I was telling people that under 1810 had a really good potential for sales, and it actually played out pretty well. And I think people on I think Registream actually caught that also, right? If I'm not wrong, there's people who cut that sell, right, on gold?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think we all had the same idea at this point. But now looking at gold, I mean,
yeah, Gerwin did some real damage yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday was insane.
Yeah.
Looking at this. Yeah, right now, I mean, on gold, you gotta be patient, man. Well, especially with NFP coming up, man. I would not trade gold today, to be honest, man. You need some big set of balls to be trading gold today. But basically, I mean, under 1804, I mean, you got some clean traffic right there, so that's pretty good. And looking for buys. I mean, you got this zone right there.
Who you have to be ready to jump into a running train or something? You know what I mean?
Yeah. For buys, I'd be very careful, but again, it all depends on the news. But yeah, let's take a look at the news actually. Let's take a look at what's coming here. Let's move that here. All right. So what's up with GJ? What's happening with GJ here? All right, so we're pushing up here. We got this miner here now. Let's switch this to blue. Got this miner right here. Yeah, looking good. Looking good. Broke previous high, respected previous low. So we can expect price to continue up and break this minor zone because this is truly a minor zone here. All right, let's take a look at news. Where is it?
It's Hassan.
Oh, here. Yep.
Good question. Can you touch on NFP? I'm fairly new to trading. I've only been trading for like a couple months now, and I don't really understand what NFP is.
The best thing for that is to actually look. I'm gonna show you something. The best thing to learn on what's news. Let me put my desk up. My ass is starting to hurt. Alright, let's put this desk on bullish mode.
On Forex, actually, what are you?
Yeah, exactly. So, so basically,
I'm on it right now. But,
okay. Well, the second thing you can do also is actually go on MyFX book. I really like my MyFX book, and the reason why is you can actually, well, this one's in French now, but you can have it in English, of course. So basically, you can have every news, and you click on it, and they're gonna actually explain you. And I'm pretty sure that Forex Factory will do the same thing, because I mean, there are so many news you need to understand what it is. Like here, can we click on this? I guess yes. So they kind of explain a little bit of it. So I guess you can do a good mix of both website, and it's gonna help you understanding more. You know. So basically, NFP is for non-farming, non-farm. This is very hard for a French guy to say. Non-farming employed. I think I'm looking for my word in English. So sorry about that. But yeah, so basically, so if you want to learn more about news, that's the thing. I spent at first when I got started to trade, I spent a lot of hours like reading Forex Live. I really like Forex Live because I personally think that I like it more than Forex Factory, to be honest. For news, they always pretty quick on releasing it, and after every session, they actually could give you a recap of everything that happened. So you can actually read the recap, understand the news, understand the connection between countries. You can learn more about news. But I don't trade based on fundamentals. Okay, but I really like to understand what's going on. You know, and I think it's still very important. Even if you don't trade based on fundamentals, it's really important for you to understand what it is. You know, so and what's happening. Yeah. So that would be the best thing, is to go read about it, and you can actually Google NFP and check, you know, what happened last year at this specific date, and you can see some patterns coming back. So for people that like to trade based on fundamentals, that's what I would suggest. And yeah, so basically that's what it is. But basically NFP is probably one of the news that makes the price move the most. So that's why we need to be very careful on this. But now let's take a look at, I'm going to put on Forex Factory because this one's in English. But let's take a look at numbers here. So basically, where am I? Here, all right. So non-farm employment change, 85. Oh, this projection is for 85,000 compared to 140. So this is actually pretty good. This is actually pretty good. If you see last month, January, we had forecast 60,000, and he actually came up to minus 140,000. Woo!
Nice.
That was crazy. Man, it was just a month ago. It looks like I don't remember. But yeah, so you gotta take a look at this. So the big thing when you look at this, you need to understand previous, forecast, and actual. So when the news is released, you need to ask yourself, is this number a surprise? And if it's a surprise, how is the market's going to react from that actual surprise? You know, is it a positive surprise for the market or a negative surprise for the market? So that's the question you need to ask yourself while analyzing news, right? So that's the big thing. So right now, forecast is, where is it? Here we go. So forecast is 85,000. So if something comes up like at minus, oh, someone's having a lot of background noise, guys. Mute yourself, thank you. So if numbers comes out and it's minus 160,000, that's not good, right? But if numbers shows up at like, I don't know, like 90,000, it's gonna be better, right? So, all right, so let's take a look here. Man, I'm supposed to be in Zoom. It feels weird to be in the gulag. Yeah, sorry guys. Sorry. So I'm gonna correct that Monday for sure. I'm gonna make sure everyone can get on the Zoom. All right, where's that target for buys? Let's see here, questions. Background music, please get some. Yes, I'm getting on it. I actually downloaded some, but I was really busy recording my course, so every time that I have, I'm recording, and as soon as this is done, I'm gonna spend more time on playing around with settings with OBS, because streaming for me, it's still new. It's been only 2 months. I'm streaming Tuesday and Thursdays. And I'm not a techie guy. I really suck at it actually. And yeah, for me, it asks a lot of work to try to find out how to get that music play. But I already downloaded some from the YouTube library, so yeah, soon. Hey Sasha, what do you think on this trade idea? All right, let's take a look.
Actually, your chart is not moving.
My chart is not moving?
No.
Here.
Bitcoin l'écran sur YouTube est différent de l'écran qu'on a sur Zoom.
Ah, il y a un délai, c'est pour ça.
Non, l'écran de Zoom ne bouge pas, ouais.
L'écran de Zoom ne bouge pas?
Ok, maintenant c'est bon.
Okay, should be fine.
Yeah, it's okay now.
Okay, good. All right. So let's go check this chart. That's coming from the Gulag. Boom. All right. No, I don't want to do this. I want to do this here. Oh. What the hell? Oh. Did a rookie mistake here. All right, so this is EJ, 30 minutes. EJ was ranging here. Range too small, yes. Buys potential. Zone here. You're missing a zone here, but yeah. Except that makes totally sense. And yeah, this target right here. Yep, you can have your target right at this resistance, so that would make sense. And make sure you close, and EJ you can be patient, right? Because EJ move as slow as my grandmother, so you're gonna get your retest most of the time on EJ. So don't rush into getting entry on the break. I mean, I'm pretty sure you can wait for that retest, create support, and push back up, right? So I would be patient on EJ because it doesn't move very quick. So. So it says NFC. Man, I'm not used to read that many comment, guys, so bear with me. Man, I don't know how Raja does it. Man, it's pretty good. Need subtitle. Okay, work on this. What do you think, Sasha, about this trade? Okay, let's take a look. All right. GU. All right, so price rejected here. My enter when the price broke the low. Okay, so you took a sell. Put SL at B when the candle closed with almost a wick. Stopped out at B. So you took your entry here. Killing traffic to the left. How many pips was that on GU? That was probably like 10, 11 pips at least. Probably. So, yeah, so that's why I always secure some profits at 10, 11 pips. Because you never know, you know. And the problem with GU, man, I don't know, man. GU, it's every USD pair for me, I don't like it. It's just like, and the reason, it's very personal, but the thing is, there's too many things that influence those pair. Because the US has so many connections around the world that anything happen, it can screw up your technical analysis like this. You know, one tweet, one news, and boom, it's gone. You know, so that's why I'm not a fan of USD pair, because it's probably it's probably the hardest pair to predict on how it's gonna move. So that's why I don't really like it. Let me get some more lights here. There we go. There you go. All right. Let's go back to GG here. So what time? Okay, so this 30-minute just closed. Oh, that's pretty nice. This 30-minute just closed above this minor range as a nice engulfing candle. So yeah, so now we can expect price to continue up after that retest. So yeah, that's pretty good. Pretty good. Let me see if my magic key works. Just want to see. I'm not taking a trade, guys. Don't stress. I'm just looking at stop loss, you know. All right, that makes sense. All right, so now, I mean, the other thing also, we need to be very careful here on this 15 minute. 15 minute, it didn't broke, you know, so we're gonna be very, very, very careful here. So yeah, we gotta wait. And for people again that trade, where's this market pattern? So I guess you got your little, so you got to be very careful if we go under here. But again, I don't trade based on that, but those gives me hints on the market sometimes. Let's be very careful. Friday NFP. I'm not doing anything crazy. Like I said, I want to see something very, very solid for a buy or sell. All right, here. Why do not spend more time to trade other pairs? So if your setup is good and your experience is good, why do not take more trades so you can make a lot of money? This is actually why you're gonna fail. I have a news for you. I have a surprise. Okay, so I have a surprise. If you try to trade many pairs, it's like if you're trying to go after many women, right? So it's the same exact freaking thing of trying to go after like 5 wives. Good luck. Good luck. It might work. It might work, but I don't think so. You're probably gonna lose 1 or 2 and 3 and 4, and maybe you're gonna lose them all. You know. So I compare pairs like woman, right? Because you need to understand how your woman's going to react to some stuff. You know, tell her what does she like to eat, what kind of movies she likes, right? To be good with her and have a long life, right? So pairs the exact same thing. You got to understand them, how they move, when, why, after what kind of news. And after this, you can focus and take trades. If you're focused on one pair, I'm telling you, man, you can make a lot of money. But if you're trying to look at 6, 7, 8, 10, 11 pairs, hell no, man, it's not gonna work. Like right now, I'm back testing GA, and I look at GA. I took, I think, 3 trades so far this year on GA. But this is after like a year and a half trading just GJ. So now I really know how GJ works. I will not advise anyone to trade a second, a third, and a fourth pair if you didn't at least spend a year trading the same pair, you know. So yeah. Well, this is just my personal thought, right? I don't know. Yeah, but I'm telling you, man, if you're trying to trade many pairs, man, it's gonna be hard for you, man. It's gonna be hard, especially if you're looking for different pairs, different trades. Don't forget. Okay, I'm gonna give you another example. You know how insurance price work, right? So I don't know if your country, if you guys have insurance, but here, your insurance price goes up if you're doing more mileage on your car, right? It makes sense. The reason why is if you're more on the road, the probability of having an accident is higher, right? Makes sense. So in trading, it's the exact same thing. More time you spend on a chart, more probability for you to lose, right? Same freaking thing, you know? So it's just a game of probability and numbers game, right? So, anyways. So sometimes I get emotional, so sorry guys. Hey, by the way, if you're on YouTube or if you're on Zoom, go take a look at YouTube, and I got this animation here. I'm not a techie guy, but I was able to get animation here. Boom! Smash that like button. Yeah, I feel like a little kid right now. Okay, so let's see here what we have. Hey Sasha, can you? Oh, we look at that. I think. Yeah. Not scared to buy GJ when it's already moved so much. Yeah, that's why we're gonna be patient. Good morning, Sasha. Good morning, Vanessa. What pair are you gonna trade today? I'm not really looking to trade today since it's NFP and Friday, but if I see something solid on GJ, maybe gonna take it, or maybe GA. Like I said, I'm backtesting GA, and we'll see. Hey Sasha, could you explain about QP on the chart? I don't want to do a full course here today, but give you a hint. So basically QP are really simple. QP are quarter points, and they are psychological levels. So basically price will react to those price. And why? It's because let's say you are institutional. Just a second here. If you see this price coming back up and break this high, there's a very good probability for price to come back up, especially after this wick retest to the downside, getting rejected very nicely. If we break this high, I think that's a very, very good opportunity for buys. But again, we are Friday, and I will be very careful. What I was saying.
Really speaking in few minutes, Bank of England.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're gonna watch him.
Yeah. Thank you for that. And you should see your spread going up. So that's the other thing, guys. If you're trying to trade when news is happening, be very, very, very careful because spread's going to be to the roof. Let's see here. Yeah, in what time is it now? It's 7. Yeah, okay. So basically in 7 minutes, we're going to get Bailey speaks. So yeah, I was looking to maybe enter that trade, but I will not because this can be scary. It can just wick down or wick up, and you know, your screen sharing is paused. Why? Why is my...
No.
That's weird. That was weird. My Zoom was saying that it was paused, but I don't know. All right, so yeah, basically I was talking about the QP. Yeah. So technically, I mean, if you're taking a trade like in a bank or institutional, people will not say, yeah, I'm gonna get in like at the 144.617. No, they will say I'm gonna get in at 144.500, you know, or 144.600, you know, round numbers. But that's why we use quarter points, because it's like 25 cents, 50 cents, 75 cents, a dollar, right? So that's why most of the time, price will react to those price. Let's see here. Can you have a look at this paper trade? Oh yes, this is Ricardo. Man, here in Canada we have a guy called Ricardo. He's superstar, man. He's actually doing cooking TV show. Oh, but I did. Oh yeah, sorry. All right, this is gold 30 minutes. Support created right here. You mean resistance, right? Enter after 30-minute broke the low, stop above. I don't see the rest of the text here, but broke the low, stop above the previous candle, I guess. Yes. Yeah, that makes sense, but I didn't measure this, but it doesn't look that big here, that range, so it might be a little tight here. So that's the only thing that would concern me. Oh, here's... Okay, you send the other one. Just saw it, sorry. Oh, same thing. Okay. No, it's good. Okay, perfect. Haha. Okay, thanks. Never traded gold. I'm just studying. Yeah, that's fine, man. If you never trade gold, I mean, man, sometimes I get people sending me charts like, they'll be sending me chart, let's say, I don't know, on GA for months. And suddenly, they send me a trade that they took on gold. I'm like, what the hell happened? It's like, and they lost and they're asking why. I mean, the reason was pretty simple, you know, just like, because you're being a dumbass and trying to, somebody called a trade on gold and you're trying to catch it, right? So, I mean, it is what it is. Hello,
Sasha.
Yep. What's up?
Yeah, thanks, man. What do you think about GJ, man?
GJ looking pretty good. I mean, we need to break this high, like I was talking about. We need to break this high for price to continue up. But Bailey speaking in 4 minutes. So that's why I will not take any entry here. It can just wick up or down and get you out from your trade. So I attempt that in the past and the result wasn't pretty good. So ain't gonna do that today. So
yeah, if you look at the daily 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute is clean area, no traffic. Look left.
yes.
Because my GJ trade idea is 30 minutes based on the 30 minute break above the 144.16 is valid by stop loss. Current candle basically now is breaking. Yep, and this area right over here. Oh, this area right over here. By stop, I activated the stop loss just below this current candle and look left. Clean area of 44, 19, 18. Basically, is very simple.
Yes, definitely. To be honest, I was about to execute that trade, and someone reminded me that Bailey was speaking, so that's why I didn't actually execute on that. But yes, I was actually having the same idea, so that's pretty good. On the break of this high, we got that wick retest. We can expect price to continue up. So make totally sense. The only thing that's scaring me right now it's that Bailey speaking. So that's why I'm staying out of it.
That would be a good choice. 1-3 made it down.
And take a look at GA. Oh, it's GA.
They rejected.
Yeah, so GA is rejecting this golden zone here. So we'll see if we can form resistance. But that's a pretty strong rejection here. So what about gold? Oh, gold is starting to break here. So expecting either sells under this zone or buys above this zone. Actually, this zone. Sorry. And yeah, sells are playing pretty good right now on gold. So I think he can. Next target is going to be right here. So next target around like 1798. Makes sense. Makes sense.
Yeah, GJ is running, bro.
Oh, GJ is back. GJ. Yeah, especially that Bailey's gonna start speaking now. So we'll see where we can go. Yeah, GG is pushing. So if you guys took that trade here, should be good, man. Like I said, I'm being very careful because my first week on my new Funding Talent challenge, because I'm trying the new challenge on Funding Talent, my first week was horrible. So I had some pretty bad stuff. So now I'm back at it, so I want to be very, very careful. I only have 1 week left, so... Oh, this candle just closed with... Oh.
Yeah, it's moving.
On the 15 minutes, yes. So on the 15 minutes, just closed with no top wick. So that means that there's less probability for price to continue up. But again, Bailey's speaking, so anything can happen. Speaking now, so we'll see how it goes. It can push up. And again, if you took it on the 30-minute... right here, right now you have what, 5 pips profit around there, so gotta be careful, but it's gonna push. You should be fine to reach 700. Should reach 700. BBK, is Bailey could make it retrace all the way down? Oh yes, actually yes. So that's why I'm not touching it. Big gains at cryptocurrency, $452 for what? For 10,357 coin. All right, man. That's pretty good. Good job. I'm staying away from crypto. Just like crypto is like kind of crypto is kind of riding a horse with no what do you call that, saddle. So I don't know, just like you can fall more often than you're gonna be actually riding that horse. So, what do you think of this trade idea? Okay, let me check. So, all right. So this is GJ 15 minutes. Potential buys above 144.630. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. But again, I would be very careful as Bailey is speaking right now. So, yep. And again, this is the 15-minute, right? So 15 minutes more risky. That's why I'm looking more at 30 minutes and 1 hour. So if you look at 1 hour, super clean. Yeah, very, very clean. Why is this zone over here? Hold on, wait a second. What? Did I move my zone by accident? Oh no, this was the range, okay. I was like, wait a second. So now we can add this minor zone here. Right? Looking at 1 hour, pretty good. Pretty good. Man, GJ is pushing. Pushing. Not more than that? Oh, sorry. False alert.
Do you think, you see when that candle starts to make a downward on GJ?
Yeah, I'll be right back to GJ. I just want to take a look quickly at GA. All right. So yeah, GJ. Sorry.
See when it starts to make a downward?
Yeah.
And then before it made downward, it came to like here. So when it came back up to there, could you put your entry there, anticipating for it to break previous highs?
No, I will do the opposite. I will enter while it breaks one position, and when it retraces down a little bit, I'll snap 1 or 2 or 3 more entries. So, because I want to make sure, especially on an impulse, I want to make sure that I break that previous high. Because sometimes if you anticipate that it breaks, like the perfect example is yesterday. You were on the live yesterday. Yesterday, actually I had my finger on my magic key ready to open. I was waiting to break, and I don't know, my finger went on it. I was just like, I anticipated to break. I was like super close to it, and actually it never broke, and it went down. So after 3 pips, I actually closed it right away because it was a mistake. You know, it was just like my finger was way too quick on that trigger. So yeah. So you want to make sure you break it, because sometimes if you anticipate it, it will not break. So gotta be careful. What is the Funding Talent new challenge? It's you can check on my YouTube channel. I actually did Forex talk over beer, talking about that new challenge versus the FTMO challenge. So you can actually take a look at that. It's called Forex talk over beer, FTMO versus Funding Talent challenge. I explained that in there, so you can take a look at it. So, but basically, it's kind of a challenge like FTMO, but better. You know, I think it's better. Again, I don't want to start a war. You know, I personally think it's better. All right, so let's take a look at this here. Riding a bull. Oh yeah, crypto life. More like riding a bull. Yeah, you're right. Can you please look at my chart? Question: do you take account to the daily level on 600? Oh yes, but it's gonna break. It's gonna break. Alright, so this is GJ 30 minutes. Okay, option 1, save by, price close above 600 daily resistance level, yes. Option 2, high risk sell, price, oh yeah, very high risk sell, because this is a very tiny range right here. So Personally sells, I'll be looking under like 144, maybe in this zone depending on the timing, you know, maybe on the timing, depending on the timing, but safer sell definitely under 144. Was it 144? Hold on, let me go back to my chart. Right here, yeah. So under 144, I think that makes sense. And depending on timing, I might, if we go back down over here, maybe take a sell, because I think timing is everything. Timing is everything. I should be a singer. No, it's every time I try to sing, my wife's like, "All right, let me put the music." Yeah, I'm not good at it. All right, so hey Sasha, can you look at my? Oh yeah, we saw that. Buy GME 400 plus limit. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you're trolling me right now because that would be the dumbest thing to do. Oh, Mark the Stash is awake. Man, you should see this guy's stash, man. Hopefully Monday's gonna be on the Zoom. You should see this stash, man. For people that used to the Franglish Zoom, he has a crazy stash. So, yeah, man. So let me get that smash button just for you, Mark. Boom, right here on YouTube. Smash that like button, guys. All right, so get your Tesla in 2 weeks. Oh, yeah, right. What song is it? Do you even meme, bra? I don't know what language you're talking. Okay, so even the Franglish can say that at this point, you know. Why would you not wait for it to break the longer wick on the left? The longer wick on the left. Oh, that's actually going to be a wick fill on the 4 hour you're probably talking about. That's going to be a wick fill. And again, if you took that buy, I think that's running pretty good right now. Oh, 7 pips. You're getting close to your profits. So hopefully Bailey's speech was good. Adil, congrats, Asha. Your view was oh, yeah. Thank you, man. Thank you, Adil. Crypto has changed look and blah blah blah. Seeing the potential. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not gonna talk about crypto because I mean, there's no point. Short squeeze for the win. It's pumping soon. Man, Sheldon, are you for real, man? Jesus. Some people are so fucking dumb. Man, okay, so now I'm getting emotional. Why the hell you want to buy a stock that is going bankrupt? You know, just like, what? Why is the logic behind this? What? This is Blockbuster 2.0. This is so freaking dumb. There's people who's gonna go to prison for that. You know, it's collusion. You know, you can do. Oh man, I'm not gonna get into this. I'm getting emotional. I need to focus here. Sorry. All right. Static versus dynamic entry. If it is a fast move as yesterday, then static is better. But if as today, take partial entry as price come back is a good solution. Correct. Yeah, makes sense. Totally. I personally use a lot of dynamic risk, and the reason why is in my setting on my Magic Key. Let's say on my Funding Talent account. Okay. So I set up my entry at 5 lot. Okay. So this represents for me if I have like, let's say a 10 pip stop, 11, 12 pip, represent around like 0.5% risk, right? So what I do, let's say I want to risk on this kind of setup, let's say I want to risk 1%, I'm going to use 2 entries. If I want to use a full 2%, I'm going to use 4 entries, right? But again, if it's impulse entry and I know price will not retrace back down, instead of changing the setting, I'm just going to hit double trade very quickly and enter at the same area. So so that's the other way how to do it. Sorry, Sasha, where will you have put your stop on GJ? Oh, under here, under this current candle. So if this is the trade I wanted to take, but again, Bailey was speaking, so I got scared, and that's fine. But now, actually, yeah. So right at this point, man, make sure you secure your profit, and the stop would have been right here. you know. So because this candle start to print back, retest this zone, reject, come back and broke previous high, and at this point you can put your stop right here, enter right there, and now secure your profit right here. You know, put your stop at break even, and now I mean you're good, right? So that would have been the plan, but it is what it is. Okay. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, let's remove that smash button. Okay. Sorry, Sasha. Well, okay, we answered that. Look at the AG, Sasha. Good breakout. AG. AG. Man, I think I never look at AG. I think I never look at AG. All right, so breakout. Yeah, this thing is really small. How can I zoom this? Can I? Can't. But it looks like, yeah, you're breaking that zone, came back, create. Yeah, you want to make sure this candle right now. Yeah, this candle close engulfing one, creating support, and yes, I think you're gonna be good to write the next candle, and you're gonna get clean traffic to the next zone. Yes, definitely makes sense. Definitely makes sense. Hey Sasha, my trade from today done for the day. Let's take a look. All right, so this is EJ. I call EJ grandma. Resistance. All right, entry when price closed above resistance and big bullish momentum. Entry when the price closed above. Okay, perfect. Took 80% when this is on 30 minute. Okay, close everything at 10 pips. That's only 10 pips? Fuck, man. Damn, EJ. Shit, it looked like 50 pips. Yeah, that's good, man. That's a pretty good trade. Pretty good, my friend. Thanks, MFP, for those 10 pips. Oh yeah, man, that's no. I mean, I'm not laughing at the 10 pips. 10 pips is amazing. 10 pips a catch is amazing. Don't get me wrong. It's just like on EJ, when you measure pips, sometimes you look at, oh man, that's gonna be a great move. It looks like probably like 30, 40 pips, and you measure it. It's like, oh, only 7 pips. Oh, okay. It's just like, man, I heard something pretty funny. Yesterday I actually rewatched Raj's stream, and I got a part where someone on gold actually got slipped, and it was like 2 centimeters, I think, or 2 inch. That was funny, dude. Man, I was laughing my ass off.
Yeah, man, I heard this is that new guy, right? He was measuring it with a scale on the screen.
Oh, that's so cool, man. It's so cool. It's just like.
And you know what? In the beginning, I used to do that too. I told one of my friends, man, it's the whole finger went up. I swear it's the whole finger.
You know what? This is actually cool, man. I like to hear those because, you know what? In a year from now, the same person is going to be profitable and making money. You know, this is pretty awesome with the value that people are providing now on YouTube and in different groups. I mean, anything's possible. You just get stick with it and be constant. And I'm telling you, man, I'm challenging anyone out of here. I'm challenging anyone to be here from 1 year from now. 1 year from now to still be here, and you'll see a huge difference. Huge difference. So, I mean, you can be from measuring with your rule on your screen, your gold trade, from making money out of gold. So, I mean, that's something pretty cool when you think about it. So, FX Trader, Sasha, you need. Oh, where was that? FX Trader, Sasha, you need to become Muslim. What?
What? No, that's deep.
I'm like, seriously?
Listen up, man. What the hell is going on?
Seriously, dude?
Oh,
Okay, I'm not gonna say.
Congrats. Congrats.
I don't even know why I read that. Just like, I was like, oh man, Jesus.
So ask him why.
No, I'm not, because if we start something, man, this will never end. This will never end. So let's rewind this, and I didn't read that, okay? So,
Good one.
God, oh man, oh well. Okay, it's just that we don't know which way a pair will move based on news until it comes out. Didn't mean anything by it. Oh, you're answering someone. Okay, sorry. Okay, I'm up 9 plus. All right, some people's are up. Yeah, I mean at this point, if you took that buy on the break, I mean, yeah, man, seek your profits and let the runner go. Because this QP can be rejected, but if we close above, I mean, we're gonna get our target that we had originally at 900. So definitely we can go up to 900. First target was this QP. Next target is gonna be 900. And yeah, I think we can visit 145 today. So that's pretty good.
So now the news passed.
Yep.
And I paper traded this move. So now the news passed. If like within our trading time we see a new move, would it be smart to take a trade or no?
During this session?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, well yeah, because I didn't take any trade, right? So
yeah.
So yeah, and if you actually
should be good, right?
Yeah, it should be good.
Got you.
So but now, I mean, after this push, I mean, what I'm again, you need to trade what you see, right? But what I'm thinking is price might start to reject this area around here and start coming back down, create support and push back up. So that would be my play. I want price to create a new high, come back down, create support. This is my favorite setup. So that's what I want to do. And if it's 8:30 or 9:30 and we're closing above this or closing above this zone, and we got a wick retest and we break the high, that's the other setup I really like when there's NY open volume or NYSC volume. So
wait, say it again. So closing above.
Yeah, I call that the Dogtail trade setup. So basically what it is well, we can let's take a look here. Here, well, here's was the exact kind of idea, you know. I call it the dogtail because it leaves kind of tail at the bottom, right? So what I want is a wick to retest the previous zone and break the previous high in entering. So, but I'm not entering. Usually, I'm not entering those kind of setup impulse when there's low volume. But at this time, I knew there would be volume because, well, Bailey was coming out, and you know we had the NFP coming today, so it's gonna be volume in the market. But usually, I'm gonna take that kind of setup mostly around 8:30 or 9:30. Because previously I tried that kind of setup around like 6:30, 7, man, and I was losing. So now I'm just taking that setup around like 8:30 or 9:30 when there's volume in the market. You're welcome. So okay, perfect. Ronaldo, can you please give your opinion on gold? Oh, Ronaldo, can you please give your opinion on gold for the NFP, please? So I don't know if Ronaldo's here, but someone is asking for you. Hey Sasha, what lot size would you use for the 25K challenge on funding talent? I mean, this is basic Forex 101. And I don't want to be rude, but if you don't know how to calculate your lot size, I don't think you should get with a funded account, you know. So this is a basic math, Go on Forex, not Forex, babypips.com. They will show you exactly how to calculate your lot size. I don't want to give the answer because it's too easy to ask, right? So you want to make sure, and to be honest, this is the best way for learning. It's to search for your answer. Unfortunately, these days, it's too easy. It's just too easy. Man, when I got started, I was searching searching, man, for answers, searching. You know, I mean, I got mentors who whooped my ass, you know, when I was asking some stupid question. Not stupid, but, you know, when you're asking a question that you can find by yourself, just take an extra 2 or 5 minutes and do your search by yourself, and you're actually going to learn more. So basically, but again, the easy, lazy stuff is to get a magic key, and it will actually calculate your lot size for you, you know, so. Or you can also get an app on the cell phone. It's called Stinu. Stinu also an app that can help you. It's ST, before someone asks, STINU. And I will not repeat, so rewind the stream. Alright, so let's see here. Man, I'm not used to get so many questions here, so bear with me, guys. Javier, day done for me. Now it's time to relax. Enjoy weekend, fam. Take care. All right, take care, buddy. Are you looking for buys after the news? Maybe, but I need price to come back down. As you see, we are rejecting right now 750 QP, and we'll see how it goes after that. What time is it now? Oh yeah, okay, perfect. Jeff Bailey spoke. Yeah, I already spoke. Yes. That reaction at 800 is beautiful. Yes, I like it. I like that. Hey Sasha, how does funded talent work? Again, I have a video. I actually have like 2 videos on my YouTube channel, so you can go check it out. And it's called Forex Talk Over Beer. I usually do episode of Forex Talk Over Beer on Wednesday night and on Friday night. So usually Wednesday night and Friday night at 6 p.m. Eastern. During that show, what I do is I break down trades that I did during the week, and I answer question or talk about specific subject. Like last Wednesday was funding talent versus FTMO. And next week, we're going to have a special guest. Next week, we're going to have Charlene with us, so that's going to be pretty fun, on Friday. So next Friday, that's going to be fun. And next Wednesday, I think I'm going to do, I'm going to keep that as a surprise, but I've got a special subject. All right, so let's see.
So, they're still speaking, Sasha.
Sorry?
They're still speaking, Bank of England. There are 2, 3 of them, the Dipkey and the Woods and the Helgen. They're still speaking.
Okay, so it's not done yet. Okay.
No.
All right, so keep an eye on this for us.
I'm watching. This whole move is the weakness of JPY, not the strength of the pound. We look at all other sides, the pound is right there. The CAD, the odd.
All right.
It's just like a Euro JPY moved up.
So, all right, so let's see here. All right, so let's take a look at GA here.
Yeah, I was just gonna say it's
GCAD is still there, GA is there, GU is still there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This I really like this right now on GA. What time is it now? Yeah. If this candle close engulfing like this, man. Let me see something here. Yeah. Yeah. That is very tempting.
you know, you could, if you was taking trades, yeah, you could like maybe take two trades, because if it breaks below, you can either like, how do I say, like anticipate for it to break below support at the bottom, or close half your position earlier.
Oh yeah, but what you can do, you talk about when you hit this zone or this zone?
The one below that one. Yeah.
This one, yeah, yeah.
If it closes below there.
Yeah, of course. You know, in this kind of setup, what I will do is, let's say this candle close engulfing, right? So for me, it will be a good signal, rejecting this golden zone, rejecting this QP, closing as an engulfing candle, creating resistance right here. After a push down, come back up, we need to come down. So for me, it would make sense to take that sell, secure profit around here, you know, and if we break here and retest, I will add more entries right here, you know, so for long-term play, but I mean long-term for during the day. So that would be a pretty good setup here on GA. That's pretty good actually. Let's talk about, whoops, I need my mouse. Where's my mouse? Here. So I'm gonna watch it because it's gonna close in what, 19 minutes. All right, so here, okay, so let's see. Man, I'm getting exhausted, man. I don't know how Raja does it. Shit, that's a lot of question coming in. Man, Raja, if you're watching from the plane, man, you're good, man. Props. All right, sorry, just joined. Any take on NASDAQ today at NFP? I don't trade US 30, I don't trade NASDAQ, I don't trade anything else than GJ and sometimes GA. But I think we're going to look at gold though, because gold with NFP can be very, 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 very interesting. And yes, so far this sell is still in a play. Still respected previous high, looking like coming down now, and if we break this low, we can reach that next support right here on gold, so that can be a really nice target. And for NFP, it might continue down, so maybe we can, I'm not sure, but I think Kerwin's supposed to jump in at one point. I know he had some stuff to do this morning, so I know for sure Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Matt, Kerwin, and Charlene, and Stefanos is going to be jumping with me and answering questions, and yeah, so we're going to have a blast, you know, so, I mean, Monday and Tuesday, sorry, Wednesday, I think Raj is back, so, but yeah, so we're getting the group together to continue supporting the community, right, so, how much money do you have? What? How much money do you have from trading? I think that this question doesn't help you on how to trade. So, can you really ask those kind of questions to someone you don't know? Really? Just like, man. Are we trading NFP today? I don't know about we, but I might. I don't know.
No, we.
Oh, that's my favorite question. That's my favorite answer. I actually adopted that answer. Now, on my stream, I also use that answer because, I mean, man, don't trade as a we. Trade as a you. You know.
Trade as a no.
Yeah, exactly. But it's okay. It's okay. You know. I don't trade US 100, but if the strength is of USD drops, I would anticipate a bearish move, but be careful this Friday and you may be faked out by the big banks. Yes, especially if you don't, you just say in the same sentence that you don't usually trade US 100. So why the hell you want to trade US 100 on the worst day to trade it? You know? I mean, not the worst. I mean, the scariest day to do it. You know, it's just like, come on. Jeez. Guys and girls, man, you gotta use some logic here. I mean, don't try to be cowboy hero because you see some people on YouTube and Instagram being superstar, and don't try to do that, man. This is all fake, you know, just like.
Zen, you have a question.
Oh, Zen. Oh, Zen.
Can you ask what's a good monthly percentage profit?
The what, sorry, Zane?
A good monthly percentage profit. I told him that anything around 10%.
Oh, yeah. I mean, any percentage at this point, you know, just like any percentage, just what you feel comfortable with. Don't forget, guys, there's no specific rules on anything. It's just like what you are comfortable with. And yeah. You know, best example. I mean, one of my best mentor I had is Raja, right? and Raja loves to trade on 15-minute. I don't. You know, does that mean that 15-minute is not good or 30-minute is not good? No, it just depends on what you feel comfortable with. You know, so for me, I don't like the 15-minute. I get too much fake out, but this is me. So you gotta understand what are you comfortable with and what are you winning with. And for this, you need to be journaling. And if you're not journaling, I mean, you're wasting your time. You're totally wasting your time. Like I gave that example yesterday, and journaling is like a playbook. It's like going to the Super Bowl knowing your playbook. Going to the Super Bowl Sunday without knowing the playbook, you get your ass whooped, right? So I mean, you got to know your playbook, but to be able to know your playbook, you actually need a playbook. You need to create a playbook, and your journal, your trading journal, is your playbook. So I mean, if you don't have a trading journal, start one now. And actually, you can go on Trixie.com. Here's my journal. My journal is actually public, by the way, guys. What? Okay. So I'm missing the trade from yesterday. But yeah, you can see all my trades, all I did. And the cool thing with Trixie is actually you can go to one trade. You can flip from time frame to time frame. This is not a picture, you know. So this is actually pretty good. This is the best tool ever, you know. For me, after Magic Key, this is my second best tool. My journal. So and it's actually public. The link's in my IG bio. So if you want to take a look at it, you can take a look at it. You could make your own if you don't want to pay the $7. Oh yeah, but I mean, really $7? I mean, you guys, you know, your Big Mac is gonna cost more than that. It's just like, come on, man. If you're gonna invest like $7 in yourself, I mean, come on. I mean, it's freaking damn cheap, man. If you're not willing to invest $7 in your own business, because trading is your own business, I mean, let me tell you, it's gonna be rough, man. It's gonna be rough. It's gonna be rough. If you're not ready to invest $7 into your playbook, man, I don't know. So, can you have a look at gold, please? Yes. Can you send a chart? How well? So send a chart. We're gonna take a look at your gold idea. Bro, you don't need to answer every question from Gulag. Raja doesn't. Oh yeah, of course. Sometimes it's just fun though. Echo. Oh, there's an echo? Oh, what's going on? Echo from Zane. Echo boss. Oh, whoa, what's going on? Echo from Zane. Oh. It's still echo? Echo Zane? What the hell is going on? Zane is on mute. Noise echo? That's weird. Wow, man. So, I don't know. Nobody's speaking right now, so someone needs to mute Mike Echo. I mean, everybody's muted. I don't understand.
I don't hear anything. Mine is clear.
Well, yeah, on Zoom it might be clear, but it looks like
In the gulag.
and on YouTube it looks. Oh, I see. Hold on, wait a second. Okay, that should be better now. Is that better now? Should be better now. Okay, perfect. Sorry. I don't know what happened there. That was weird. Much better. Okay, perfect. Sorry, guys. I don't know what happened. I think my other audio capture input on my OBS was on. I have no clue why. So sorry. I'm using this mic right here. So, but to be able to, for you guys on YouTube to hear people on Zoom, I'm putting my mic very close to my computer as of a small speaker. So hopefully you guys can hear a little bit of what the Zoom people are saying. But I will fix that for Monday. All right, can talk about gold. Yes, in your chart, bud. Another fellow, Nebly here. Are you Raja Bank student? Yes. Yes. One of many. One of many, many, many. We're all mini Raja. Raja Army. Hey guys, I mean, we got 700 people on YouTube and we only have like what 277 likes. And come on, smash that like button, guys. Come on, smash it up. All right, so let's see. GJ here is GG is rejecting that QP at 750 right now. So, and what time is it? We have 8 minutes left into this 30-minute candle. Let me look at GA. All right, so G flipped bullish and actually broke previous high. So I guess this plan is down to the drain. Too bad. Looked pretty good. So gonna need some more patience. Yeah, I know. I just took a look at it. It's actually flipped bullish and broke previous high. So that plan is now game over. All right, so guys, I done some. Watch a replay of one of your live show and you look at GPY USD. I thought only USD GPY existed, same as thought. Watch a replay of one of your live show. Probably not. Or maybe I took a look at USD GPY. Yes, 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 yes. Or if someone sent a chart. Oh yes. What? Okay. Now I understand. Okay, so your question is, okay, look at this. I watched a replay of one of your live show and you look at GPY USD. I thought only USD GPY existed. Same as I thought it was. I don't know. I don't know, man. So maybe a broker. I don't know. It's supposed to be UJ. It's supposed to be USD GPY. So I don't know. Corey, trade was won. Now on Forex, talk and chill with Sasha and beer. Cheers to good week. Oh, thank you, man. Thank you. Okay, let's see here. You can stream directly the Zoom sharing screen. Yes, with OBS. Oh yes, I can stream directly from Zoom. But there's some stuff I can do with Zoom, so I prefer using OBS. Guys, I've done some backtesting of the between FP and gold, and I noticed that when the news is bad for the U.S. economy, gold drops extensively exactly an hour and a half after stats drop. Oh yes, that happened a lot. Where's Kerwin? Probably sleeping. No, joking. No, he had some stuff to do. He texted me and he's really busy right now, so he might jump in later on. But and we're gonna need someone to sacrifice his place on Zoom to do that, because we are maxed out now on Zoom. What would you say the best pair to trade on a Friday are? None. That's a good answer. So it's the answer to this is the same pair as you usually trade. You know, so you need to focus on one pair. One, uno, un, uno, one. Man, we can get a lot of language to say one, but yeah. GPP, GPY. I am on the buy trade. I take break of resistance. Oh, that's pretty good. So hopefully you secure your profit and put your stop at break even and let the rest run. Hi Sasha, can you take a look at my chart on gold? Oh yeah, can do that. Can we do that? Yes. Boom. So this is gold 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes. And 5 minutes on gold, it makes sense, but 5 minutes on GJ, I don't like it. So looking at gold here, entry after the break of the retest of support. Entry after the break and retest of the support. Yes. You took the sell right here. TP here. So it's a trade idea. You actually took the entry. And oh, entry after the break. Oh yeah. Yeah. I don't know. Risky, man. Risky business. To be honest, at this time, especially before NFP, taking an impulse entry, I don't know, man. Really risky. Really risky. I would personally not execute on that. I will wait for this kind of retest, right? So this retest right here makes sense. But the trade idea on the impulse here on the 15, on the 30 minute made sense because 30 minute is the higher confirmation. So this, when it broke, that was for me a good confirmation on gold and closed under this zone. So this 30-minute close was pretty good, but there's a tiny wick at the bottom. Again, looking at the 15-minute, you got your retest. This one closed, this closed one bearish. So I think now, I mean, price should continue down after this. If we broke that low, man, it's gonna go directly to the next support. Hey, what's up, man? You're still holding, GJ? That's what you said? Yeah, that's good, man. Awesome. Awesome. Good job, man. Congrats. Well done. Main thing is journal everything and help. Oh, yes. If you want a free trading journal, check out my website and navigate to free resource. Click make. Oh, okay. So I guess people has a free trading journal here. That's a good option. Sasha, could you show them this trading journal and give your opinion on it? Can you show them? Take a look. Can you guys mute yourself if you're not talking? Sure. Oh man. Send blank email now thinking, oh yeah, no, not gonna do that. What's your view on NFP? Bring Uncle Ted here. Yeah, I wish. Yeah, he's probably gonna be seeing the link in the Slack. So if he wants to join on, he will, and he's more than welcome. And he knows, or I guess hopefully he knows. Yeah, Arian, it looks like trying to do an ad on I saw pricing and trying to sell something else. Maybe the trading journal is free, but I don't know. I'm gonna look at it outside of the stream, and we'll see. Any knowledge how it works with Trixie if trade on MT4, MT5 is adding my zone or just entry and exit? Right now, you need to redo your zone on Trixie, but they're coming out with a new patch, and that's going to be pretty exciting. I cannot tell everything that's going to go with Trixie, but I saw some, the guys at Trixie sent me a screen capture because I asked a lot of stuff, and I was giving ideas, and the cool thing with guy at Trixie is actually the same guy at Magic Key, by the way. And he really listened. So every not trading, but idea I had, a suggestion I had for Trixie, he actually did it. And man, I'm telling you, this platform is really amazing. And for that low cost of I think like $6 or $7 a month, I mean, man, you go buy like at least 2 coffee in a month at a coffee shop, so it's gonna pay for that. Seriously. Yep.
See the support.
Yeah. Yeah, for now, for buys on GA after this, I have to go check on hours. Oh wow, Jesus, in traffic. So on GA, for me, I want to be very patient here, and I would wait for a break and close above this. You know, because you don't want to be trading in here. And right now you're right at resistance. Even if it comes down, traders. Let me remove this golden zone here.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm saying that.
Even if it comes down here, let me show this. Comes down here, it's like 12, not even 10 pip, you know? So that's way too tight. But yeah, but save buy is going to be above this zone. That's going to be amazing because you got clean traffic to the left. And yeah, looks pretty amazing. GJ on the other end is pumping, and we're going to reach that zone of 900. So guys, if you took that trade right here, I think that was a great trade. Yeah. I mean, right now you're running what? You're running about 20 pips so in profit. So for that runner, so that's pretty good. Pretty good, my friend. Pretty good. Let's take a look at gold. All right, so gold. Ooh, yeah. Boom. Tap right on it, guys. So again, if you grab that sell, that worked pretty well. That worked pretty well right there. Right on it, man. Oh, that's pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. Right on it. So again, this candle closing down here, got that retest. Yeah, man, that's pretty amazing. So there's 2 ways you could catch this on the impulse, like on the impulse or on the close of that 30-minute. So either on the impulse when it broke this low, or when this close, you got that retest here, and this one when broke this candle, so you can go back to the 15 minutes. So when this broke this low, I think that was pretty good. Yep. Pretty good, pretty good. So we have. Oh, I see now why. Okay. People was not seeing the Forex Factory website when I was switching from my screen to screen on YouTube. Now I realize. Okay. So now looking at the news, we got 30 minutes left before, not 30 minutes exactly, but 25 minutes left before those news coming out. And this is gonna be Super Bowl time for Forex. All right, so let's see if we have a question. Plot session volume on chart and explain. Can you plot session volume on chart and explain? No, I don't do that. Because volume indicators are always late. They will never give you the actual moment of the volume, so that's why I don't use those. And no. Gold is dangerous, man. Not for me. Yeah, gold is a wild horse, man. But when you know how to trade it, perfect. That shouldn't be taking trade while you feel oh, if you yeah, that makes sense. Perfect. Bro, do you stream every day? From now on to the Raja's back, which means until Wednesday. But usually I stream Tuesday and Thursdays. Yeah, Tuesday and Thursdays, and usually my stream I bounce back from French to English. So since we have a lot of time, I want to explain because I have a pretty good group in French also. So I'm trying to answering most question as possible in both language. So I translate everything. So even if you're full English, you'll not be missing anything. Oh yes, the Zoom's gonna be fixed for Monday. Yeah.
Everybody's gonna be here.
Yeah, I know. I wasn't to be honest, I wasn't expecting that. So it was quite a surprise this morning. So I'm pretty happy. It's fun. It was quite a surprise. So yeah, having like 760 on YouTube and like 100 on Zoom, it was quite a surprise right now. So I was a little stressed, but now I think it's good. It's good. It's good. Yeah. So yeah, so yeah, um I'm gonna be fixing Zoom. So yes, Zoom, we're gonna have enough room for people Monday and Tuesday. Let's see here. What can we expect? Where is Raja gone? Vacation, man. I don't know. I don't ask. I don't ask those kind of questions to people when it comes to personal life. You know, he has his personal life and he can be wherever he wants. He doesn't have to tell anyone. He doesn't have to explain himself all the time. If he wants to tell it, he's gonna do a story, and you guys all gonna know. If he didn't do a story about it, it's because he wants to keep that for himself, and that's okay. You gotta understand that. He gave it away on his story. If you actually think, oh yeah, he did a such a Dominion market will work in Saudi Arabia like other markets. I have no clue. That you need to ask Dominion market. Raja, that wasn't directed at you, such. Okay. The what? Sorry. Oh, it will be working. Okay, perfect. Okay, awesome. This side down. All right, so that's good. That's good. All right, so we got 400 likes here. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Can we get to 500? And can we get to 500 likes? That'd be amazing.
Let's get it.
That'd be amazing. 500 likes, man. I think I'm gonna start dancing. 500 likes. I'm starting to dance.
Oh, great.
I'll keep my clothes on.
All right.
Cause I don't want YouTube to ban the stream, right? So so yeah, man, smash that like button, guys. Oh shit, man, it's going up pretty quickly now. It went to 430 in like in a second. Oh, looks like I'm gonna have to start dancing. God damn, that's scary. Oh, that's actually scary. I think I'm gonna remove that smash button like, because now it's getting pretty close to it. Man, oh man, web got myself into something stupid right now. Getting to 450. Oh oh damn. YouTuber is not playing around. Okay. People are saying 600 close off. No, man. Guys, NFP only affect USD pairs. Not really, because I mean you gotta understand that there's other pairs going to be affected by the fact they are also safe haven, you know. So yeah, put some music. I will, because dancing without music it's gonna be hard. Hey, what's up, man? Oh, you've been trying to enter the Zoom session. Yeah, it's very limited. I didn't realize, to be honest. I really thought at the version that I can get at least 300 people, but it looks like I was top max at 100, and I was trying to upgrade while I was doing it, and it was not working. So I don't know. So I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna fix it this weekend. Um, I need to finish. What? They're still talking? So that's why. Ooh, that was loud. So yeah, that's why price is kind of, not really moving at this. Uh-oh, 490? Really? It looks like the news on GJ yesterday. From there to there in a second. So it went to 400 like to 490. Oh, goddamn. Oh man.
Hello, Sasha.
I'm getting nervous. Hello.
Sorry, Charlie.
It started now. They actually allowed 100 people to try it, and they're actual members. But to the public, I have no clue, man. You're gonna have to ask them. They want to make sure everything works smoothly and perfectly before releasing to everyone. And I think that this is smart, and this is actually a proof that this is a legitimate business, not trying to make quick money on people. They want to make sure the program works fine and well for everyone before releasing to the public. So I think this is actually smart from them. So you gotta be a little patient, but it's gonna come out soon, I guess. So. But I don't have the answer. Sorry.
It's not. It's free. It's safe.
Yeah.
And Optima. Just options in the
Yeah, no, commission goes to the broker. Yeah. They don't I don't think they touch any money from that. It's to the broker, but that I don't want the answer. Oh shit, we went to 500. But I don't want to I don't want I don't want to say something that I cannot prove, but I'm pretty sure they're not touching that money. It goes directly to broker. Um all right, so oh man. 500. Shit. Oh shit. All right, a deal's a deal. So
was it?
I'm gonna start dancing at 500.
Yeah, put it. Yeah.
God damn. All right. That's gonna be quick because that song cannot play for a long time. Because if not, YouTube's gonna ban the stream, and I don't want that. So
History. See history.
yeah, that's gonna be. Okay. What's up? Woohoo! Oh boy. Alright, so a deal's a deal. God damn, I can't believe I did that. Man, it's Friday in FB, man. We do some crazy shit, right? Oh boy. Oh yeah. And look, this price starting to reject right away. So for me, I'm not trading NFP, okay? I will wait to see how the markets will absorb that news, and I might be able to trade after that. But as right now, I was hoping to take a trade maybe before NFP, but now it's just like for me it's too late to take any trade right now. At this point, I mean anything can happen. So
Watch the NFL, most some market and NYS
yes.
hour after
Yeah.
news.
It takes time for market to absorb the news, right? So we have what? We have what time's that? 8:17, like 13 minutes left. So yeah. No, nothing. Yeah. Yeah, no, I was really looking into taking it. But someone says, "Oh, Bailey's gonna speak now," and I was like, and I kind of didn't do it. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, no, especially today, especially today. So oh, people in the gulag say, Sasha, you're a good dancer. Oh, thank you. Yeah, move this shit out of you. Yeah, I have my screen here because I'm still recording the course, right? So I'm gonna finish this weekend. I know people's asking me, and I'm late. But you know, it is what it is. Sasha, you're yeah, okay, perfect. This is seizure session. There's some funky comments here. What's a good trade to get into right now? Pretty much none at this point. You gotta wait. I mean, if you want to play cowboy, you can, but I mean, news gonna be insane. This is gold, and gold should move. We're gonna take a look at gold here because I mean, gold should be the one that's gonna be most impacted right now. And again, if you took that sale here, man, you are man, you are living the dream right now. Man, oh man, this shit can go down, but we got this zone here. Right. But yeah, man, I mean, this trade on gold right now was talking about like taking the entry right here. You're running at like woo 70. Oh man, it's 75 pips in profit for your runner, so that's pretty good. So again, now on gold, I mean, at this point, too late, because now you got all this noise to the left. Personally, I don't like that. Um, yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Ouais, ouais, non, c'est normal, c'est normal. Ben ouais, c'est mieux être prudent. C'est mieux être prudent. Oui, yes. The what? Sorry, I didn't get that. Yeah, that would make sense actually, based on what they're expecting, it makes sense. Yep. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that would make sense. That would make sense. Mm-hmm. Oh, DXI? Mm-hmm. Yep. Yep. No, that would make sense. That would make sense totally. All right, so let's take a look at where is still doing nothing. GA is still rejecting this zone. But look at this on GA. Oh, this is the 15 minutes. 30 minutes. Destroy that. My dog is like clockwork, man. My dog scratched that door every freaking morning around like 8:20. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Then Dodo. Natoli. And that dog is way too smart. Okay, I'll go check. Where is that? Here. DXY. If DXY breaks 91,347, very bad for gold. And I going for buy all pair of. Oh yeah, whoa, woo! You are on fire. You're going for sell. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I was like, man, you're a cowboy. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, that's good. Makes sense, man. Totally makes sense. So now we're rejecting this zone, but news gonna come out in 5 minute ish. So we'll see what's NFP and how does it move the market. You the best thing is to Google that or to go on those website here, Forex Factory, or again here my FX book. They will explain you. You can actually go to babypips.com. You can go to Forex Live. They will explain and you can understand more. So yeah. Gabriel Cruz not here. Yep, that's a pretty big rejection here. How does an FP affect GJ? It will affect it, but not as much as like gold or USD pair, of course. But you gotta understand that GPY is a safe haven, right? So if USD is impacted, which is also a safe haven when you think about it, it can impact the GPY also. So you gotta understand it can weaken the pound against the yen or actually give it power. So yeah.
GA.
Yo, this thing just what?
And it comes back. Support.
Yeah.
Wouldn't sell be the best.
Oh yeah. And that would actually it went to tap into that safety net, which is the 764 FEB level, which is, I call that the safety net. It actually tapped and rejected. And now if it closed back under this zone, man, this was a little fake out here at 1800. So
especially to the left of so wicks.
yeah. Yeah, that's pretty good, especially if it closed like this in 3 minutes. But the thing is, again, we are in NFP mode, so
To the second center.
I know, crazy.
Just
I know, but yesterday, man, yesterday was the worst, man. I was so excited about yesterday because we were about to get some really nice sells, super clean traffic to the left side, and suddenly price went just boom. I was like, F you, GJ. So yeah, anyway. Where's Raja? Raja is gone in a plane. um oh, all these people talking shit about how he trades. Why the hell you here then? Feel free to leave. Oh, thanks Amanda for getting mine back. I didn't see the discussion here, but yeah. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, you're getting okay. Blah 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 blah. Cruise. Hold on. Man, people are fighting in the on the YouTube. It's just like, what the hell is going on? Sasha, are you expecting GJ to drop? I'm expecting GJ to do all kind of funky move, but yes, I want to see GJ to come back down. So create a support here and take a buy later on. But at this point, I'm not touching at anything. But GA is, if GA goes under here, 79 750, this quarter point. I mean, whoa, what I did. If we close under this, I think that's gonna be whoo, it's gonna be rock and roll. It's gonna be Melt City. Let's go back on gold because now we're getting the news in like 30 seconds. And this is Super Bowl time for gold. So let's see how it goes. And I'm not a cowboy, so I'm not going to be trading NFP. Control plus Chrome Zoom in Sasha. Okay, thank you for the tip. I will remember that next time. Spread are, oh yeah, spread are insane right now. Spread on GJ right now is like 5 pips, 4 pips, 2 pips, 4 pips, 3 pips, 5 pips, 2 pips. It's just like shit is about to get real. Yep. Today probably around like the latest 10:30. Ooh, sorry to cut you off, but this is happening right now, and it just went straight up in a second. In a second. Still no wick at the bottom on this 30 minute. Looking at the 15 minute, 5 minute, and this 5 minute structure was pretty good here on the 5 minute because I mean this closed actually at 25 with no wick at the bottom. Pretty good, man. It didn't push as hard as I was expecting though. Okay, so gold is pushing now. We are 1 minute, 1 minute into this news. Whoa, whoa, holy! All right. Okay, let's see. What was the news? Here. Whoa, shit, boy. Yeah, I was expecting 85,000 and now we're at 49. So, which is still better than previous, but still bad news. Um, Yep. Yeah, this is actually good. Yeah. So right now, the thing is, those two news going against each other right now. You know. So yeah, it's really, and we see that often. Price can just wick up and come straight back down. You know. But yeah, you know, so that's why, man, trading NFP, you need a lot of experience and a lot of back testing. And Sasha, did you take any trade earlier? No. Bad numbers, good numbers. No. Done for the day anyway. Everyone. Hey, good day, Gabrielle. I didn't read what was going on, but it looked like you guys got into a fight or something. Um, yeah, I think someone's getting into a fight with Gabrielle. I don't know. Oh well, it is what it is. So USD is bear right now. Maybe. Let's take a look at UCAD just for fun. Oh shit! Look at this wick on UCAD. Wow. GJ is coming down on the 5 minute. This is 30 minute. Pretty good actually. I want to see that. I want to see price coming back down so we can create that support. Yeah, so to answer back your question about the later I take a trade, if I didn't took any trade during the session, the later I will take one. It's probably around 10:30. That will be the pretty much the latest. After that, volumes slowing down, you know, especially after 1 o'clock. And anyone trying to trade after 1 o'clock GJ, I mean, this is stupid. 1 o'clock Eastern. Mr. Sasha, thank you to learn me the patient and don't necessarily trade. Oh, you're welcome. Welcome. Yeah, man. I don't know if some of you were on the stream a couple months ago. I actually did something stupid on a Friday. I went to over trading, you know, and I was doing some stupid stuff. Like that's months ago. Um, and I said on a story that I actually tagged Raja and I would say, sorry, I failed my mentor, right? And I say next Friday I will come with my ends tied. And I actually came on the stream and I attached my hands, make sure I'm not trading on Friday. So man, if it's what you have to do it. You just make sure you don't trade, you know? So don't do stupid shit. So you see, I mean, we had a pretty good time. I mean, even if we didn't took a trade, I think we check a lot of charts and we learned some stuff, right? Um, Danielle remembered that. Yes, it was funny. Um, I did the same stupid today. FK Pedro. Yeah, you learn, man. You learn. It's part of the process, man. People sometimes doesn't know, but trading is a process. You just need to go through the process. And this is not a race. And guys, you're gonna hear me saying that over and over and over and over again. But this is not a race. It's a marathon. So you just need to cross that line at the end of the marathon. You'll be winning. So just don't rush anything. Don't rush the process. Don't rush it. Just go with it. Chill. No.
Gio, if you see that,
Yeah.
if you see that, it literally didn't see.
Yeah, that's actually pretty.
Safety.
Yeah. Yeah, he actually rejected that 764 safety net and torn it in that golden zone, and yeah, it's melting. So, but the thing is, this candle was a little bit too big to enter since this support is right there, right? So the problem was that if this candle would have been closing right here, kind of, that would be great, you know? Yeah, yeah, that was the original plan, right? But now it's just like we gotta wait to break this, and yeah, after that we gotta get clean traffic, especially on GA. If you look at it, look what you guys see here. What the hell? Trading View wants to show notification. What? So people that use those, point that out. You got this right left shoulder, you got the head, and you got this right shoulder, and basically you got your neckline, right? Take entry right there. It's perfect setup, right? For people that trade market structure. Let's see here. GJ. Whoops, need my map. Oh, who's drawing like this? Thank you for removing it. Yeah, man. So, oh, I didn't check back gold, but take a look at gold here. Man, nothing crazy here. Like it just keep on moving up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Huh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right, all right. So 8:39. So we got 20 minutes left into the stream. Here, I'm expecting gold to drop cleanly when the next hour opens. Maybe. Maybe. UCAD? UCAD. Yeah, I said, oh, yeah, huge rejection here. Phew. Wow. Man, oh man, this thing's about to flip bearish. Hello, hello. I'm pretty good. What about yourself? Sure. Okay. I personally think, and this is just personal, I personally think there's not only one way to trade. I personally think there's many way you can win while trading, and I'm pretty sure any trader can agree to that, right? Um, and I'm the kind of person who like to have tools in my toolbox, and the important thing is to know when and where to use those tools, right? So that's why I use those as tools, as a hint in the market. I don't base my trade out of those tools, but I like to get hints, you know. So if it can give me a little hint on the market on where it can might go, I'm gonna watch my price action and see where can I snap that kind of entry, right? So I grabbed because I had like I think I had like 6 different mentors before running into Raja, and I learned different stuff. And what I did is I flushed everything that was not working and that was unnecessary, and only kept the good stuff that was working for me. So I kind of grabbed a little ingredient from a couple people and did my own salad. So Mm-hmm. Yep. 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 Yeah. And again, it's you don't and again, it's really important to understand it's good to have tool, but it's also good to have not so much tools also, you know, because if you have too much tools, I mean, at one point you just don't know where to look and what to use and when to use it, right? So that's why I flushed a lot of stuff and only kept the stuff that was working for me. So I focusing on a couple of tools and I've been mastering those tools, you know. So you gotta be someone that able to master those tools and focus on those one, you know. So it doesn't matter which one it is, choose the one that works for you and you know, work it, you know, just work it. For me, the thing that I was missing in my trading was actually the price action, you know. So I was missing that, and with that I'm able to do my own salad. And yeah, so that's exactly what I teach, you know. That's what I teach my people, my student. I just teach them what I learned, and I only kept the good stuff, right? So so that's it. And yeah, I think it's good to have different tools. And again, it all depends on the people also. There's some people that's really good with one thing, and that's awesome, you know. That's awesome. I don't think there's only one way to do it, just like there's many ways to do it. It just depends on how you want to do it, you know. And you got to spend time doing it. And you, I mean, you are the only person responsible for your own success at this point. So you got to yourself look in the mirror and say, okay, what am I going to do about it? You know, what am I going to do about it? I'm going to be mastering those kind of thing, or I'm going to be to try to jump from this to this to this to this. No, grab some ideas and stick with it. Um, hmm, exactly, you know. So um, no, it definitely makes sense, man. Definitely makes sense. Hey, you're welcome, man. Thank you. Yep.
Just
Woo wee, man. Yeah, so that's pretty good. So what you want to see now at this stage is on GA, this is 8:45. So you want to make sure this 30-minute close under. Okay. There's two things. Okay, there's two things we can see on GA is either price closing like kind of like right here, kind of. Next candle goes back here. Next candle close bearish here. So this is what? This is 8. So that's going to be 9:30, 10, and you'll be writing the NYC volume candle. Okay, so that's option number one. Option number two will be on GAs. This candle closing kind of like this here. And next candle start going back up. Reject with a wick, with a pretty good wick here. Reject here and start breaking that low and entering on the break of the low and writing the NYC pre-volume and eventually the NYC volume right here. You know? So that's something I can expect on GA. And as for GJ, yeah, they probably moved the same, but doesn't matter. It doesn't, you know, we cannot base ourselves on that. But look, whoops. So if you look at GJ, I would want price to come back down over here, start creating support, and start pushing up. So that's what I'm looking at. So I want price to start forming support kind of at 600. If you look, this should be also where it is right here. This is the daily support around 600. So this here just to give us an idea. No, this is just for visual support. Put it orange. So that would make sense, right? So if we can expect price, I can see price come back down in this golden zone, rejecting this daily support, a resistance, I mean, sorry, and start pushing back up, that would make totally sense. And again, if it goes under this, I mean, after that, there's no buys, you know. But yeah, that would be my two plans here on GA and GJ. About gold. Gold right now, it's still up there. That's funky, man. This thing didn't actually retrace, didn't push more. It's just like it's kind of sitting there. Huh. Interesting. All right, so let's see here. So Ariane, yeah, I guess I answered that question. GG dropping, plot new zone. Yeah, I don't need new zone. Yeah, just maybe this one here. Wait for candle to close. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Gonna head up. See you next week, everyone. Thank you, Ted, for Ted Eng. Thank you. Thank you. Here's let's go check out on YouTube a little bit. GA going down. Oh yes. Check here. Oh, someone got in on GA at 799. Targeting AF level. Oh, that's interesting. Good. Breaking through 769. Yeah, that's pretty good. Should get it. GBP USD buys, if you can take a look. Gonzalez, send me a chart and we're going to take a look at your GBP USD. EU. Those who are holding their long yesterday will be cashed out. Gold. Oh, someone bought gold at 1797. Ooh, we got a cowboy here in the place. Yeehaw! All right. I got a sniper. Oh, I like that. I got a sniper. I got a sniper on GA 179. Could I scale in some more? Man, you should be happy on what you got, man. That's the thing. Don't be greedy, man. Don't be greedy. If opportunity comes and you can add more position, yes, but just don't add position for adding position. Building coming up, yes. What is your take on EJ? EJ, I didn't even take a look at it today, to be honest. Did I take a look at it? I didn't actually take a look at the EJ, but I didn't receive any chart on it. I think I received one chart on EJ. So yeah, you can send me your chart. I'm gonna take a look at it. Telling you gold fine. Get blah blah blah. Is UJ a good sell now? Send a chart. We'll take a look at it. Zane 1 lost a trade. No, Zane didn't took a trade yet. Bro looks dead. Oh, yeah, but Zane's always like that. Zane's always like that. Can you check EJ, please? Yes, send a chart, Cal. You can buy. Send a chart, guys. Stop saying check this, check that, and just send a freaking chart. And by the way, this is the best way to learn. You know, man, I got my ass whooped by Raja so many times. You have no idea. You roasted me at first, man. I was back then when I got started. I remember, man. I was always the first one to send a chart. I was getting ready as soon as Zoom opened. Bam! I copy paste my trade. And the reason why I was sending the first is I didn't want myself to be doubting after he explained something. I want him to see that I was ready before joining the stream, and I wanted him to see what I think. And sometimes, let me tell you, man, what I was seeing on the chart was not the good thing. And I knew it. He told me, you know, he roasted me a couple times, and that was actually the best way for me to learn, and that was by sending chart. So guys, if you're shy, and I can understand sometimes you don't want to, because I mean, you don't want to get your ass roasted or something, but to be honest, this is the best way to learn, man. Send your chart, let him to see it. Let us, any of us, you know, from the market fluidity gang, let any of us take a look at it. Let us help you, you know. So this is the best way to actually learn. So yeah. So what time is it now? What time? Oh, 8 minutes. 8 minutes. And we went to 535 likes. This is pretty good, man. This is a first for me. So thank you for everyone in the YouTube. Thank you everyone on Zoom. Pretty amazing. So if you still didn't give a like to the stream, this is gonna be probably the last couple minutes here. So smash that like button. A little last push. And yeah, I think it was a pretty good session, man. Even if I personally didn't took a trade. I know there's many people who took that gold sell at first, and we had some people who took that GJ buy earlier. So that's pretty good, man. Pretty good. Oh, look at this GJ, man. GJ is rejecting and starting to push back up. What is going on? Hey, thank you, man. So I see you guys on Monday, or actually tonight. Tonight I'm gonna have a small episode of Forex Talk Over Beer. Since I was live this morning, is not gonna be a big episode, but let's just chill and have answering some question. I know there's at this episode, that's where I answer question about like funding talent, you know, Trixie, journaling. You know, if you have some specific question, just jump on Forex Talk Over a Beer. We're gonna drink a beer all together and just chill and talk about Forex. You know, so sometimes we get some crunchy news, some drama on the market, so it can be fun. So yeah, so I can see you there on tonight, and if not Monday morning. Monday morning we're gonna start at 5:30 a.m. Eastern. I'm probably gonna be alone at that time, but I know after that Mac's gonna jump on with Kerwin and Stefanos and Charlene. So Monday's gonna be epic, man. Monday's gonna be epic. So pass the word around. We're gonna have fun Monday.
GA's clinching.
Yeah, I would be careful with GA right now because I mean, GG just flipped. Back up. I don't know. I want to see this candle to close here in 5 minutes and see the next candle start rejecting the zone and broke the low, and it will be interesting. But before that, it's risky. Gold is start to reject now. Okay. Oh, we. Eric, goodbye, Sasha. Goodbye, all. Have a nice weekend. Thank you very much. Simon, thank you. Good stream. Thank you, Sasha. Thank you, Adam. So hopefully, the Franglish accent wasn't too bad. So yes, so today I wasn't speaking a lot of French because I know this wasn't supposed to be a Franglish Zoom, so that's why. But yeah. Uh, but Monday, thing I'm probably gonna do Monday, since Kerwin's gonna be probably breaking down gold, probably gonna try to translate everything that Kerwin is explaining in French, so both people is gonna be able to get it. Miss my runners, SL, Alpha Pip. I'm still in the current. Oh, okay. Merci à toi Albert. Bonne journée. Merci Hugo. Merci Hugo. John King, guy. All right, someone says don't buy gold until it drops to 1750. Okay. Send a chart. Thank you. Good stream. Thank you very much. Thank you. Are French people unable to speak English? Is there English people that doesn't know how to speak French? Same question here. She's like, come on, dude. She's like, really? English is not the only language on the planet. This is big news. I know it can shock some people up, but yeah.
DJ.
Oh, someone grabbed that move here on the break of the high, right?
Yeah, this level around 65 was a support.
Yeah.
If you look on the left.
Yeah. Yeah. That's pretty good, man. Yeah, that's a good trade.
Yeah, it's gonna go to 145.
Yeah, that was the target from this morning. I said like we should visit 145 today, so I mean we should break that. 900 is the first one I wanted to secure at first when we opened up the chart this morning, and next one's gonna be 145 for sure, man.
Also, GA has got big rejection to support, so that. Yeah, also don't forget we're gonna have the 4-hour close, and
Yep.
we'll need to make that top wick and down wick from this candle.
Yeah, that's pretty good, man. What 30? Yeah. This is definitely my kind of trade. This is definitely my kind of trade. I took it because we are Friday, and I am to not taking impulse entry on Friday. But this is definitely my kind of trade. If it were Monday, Tuesday, any day in the week, I would have taken that trade. Because I mean, this is a pretty good rejection to this golden zone to previous support. I mean, yeah, it makes sense. And when it started breaking up, totally makes sense. Aim at least that 900. So what I would do is at this point, how many pips is that? Probably like 5 or 6. My 5 pips. Too early. But as soon as the trade would have come like 7, 8 pips, probably gonna put myself at breaking even at this point because this zone, I don't know, it might be rejected, right? So we gotta be very careful in this. But yeah, Friday, man, that's the thing with impulse entry. Anything can happen on a Friday, so that's why I'm being super cautious. But definitely my kind of setup. I really like that kind of trade, especially around 8:30 or 9:30. This usually works pretty good. The what? Sorry. Oh yeah, yeah. It's my I think it's my second favorite setup to be honest. I really like it. Really like it. I actually went to simulation mode with this FX simulator, and I actually backtested one candle, one, the 9:30 a.m. candle. I actually over 6 months trading one trade, one candle on that setup, I was up like 45%. So it was pretty good. So
Yeah, GA.
yeah, crazy how those two regs. So at this point, GA, you want to wait. Yeah, I know, Zane. Look at your face. I know you're desperate right now.
Yesterday. GJ.
Yeah. All right, man. Gotta be patient. We're gonna get it. Man, that's something that trading learned me. It's to become patient, man. Because I'm usually someone that's impatient, and that's actually what kills me at first. While trading, I was like so impatient, and now I think I'm getting slowly better at it. But I want to become again better and better. I always want to improve. So, um, yeah, man. So that's why right now I got specific rules, and if I don't respect it, man, I'm not allowed to drink a beer at night. So let me tell you, man. So, and I tell those rules to my wife, so she knows. So if I fuck up, she look at me opening up a beer. She's like, didn't respect the rules. I'm like, God damn it! Like, put the beer back in the fridge. I'm like, that hurt. So you got to turn this into a game in your mind, right? Because I mean, you have to have fun doing it, and you need to respect those rules, right? So it's like goals, man. You gotta have goals, you know, and share those goals to your person around you. Anyways, yep. Ooh wee! Look at this. Yep. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So this is 30 minutes. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's good. So you took that sell right there? Very good, man. Good job, Eric. Very good. Very, very good. Yep. Yeah, it makes sense. This bearish candle on the 5 minute closing under this minor support, it can take you trade on the next one, and boom. Yeah, totally makes sense. That's good, man. Good job, Eric. I see, I see, I see. That's good, man. Well done. Well done. Simon, what a nice stream. Good job. See you next week. All right. Thank you, Simon. Thank you. Thank you. Merci. This 4 hour candle on GJ was strong. Yes, it is. Pretty strong. Pretty strong, my friend. Right. So let's see here. Do we have any last question here? Gold going to gold be dropping. Hey Sasha, can you share your trading rules? Yeah, you know what? We can talk about that tonight at Forex Talk Over Beer because I want to be ending the stream. But yeah, definitely, Steve. Let's talk about that tonight. We'll see. So let's answer this very quickly. Someone say you guys generally follow 1-to-1 or 1-to-2 or more. To be honest, I just don't look at RR. That's me personally. I don't look at it, and the reason why it's because as soon as the price moved to like 10 pips, 11 pips in profit, I move my stop to break even. So basically, suddenly my trade's like 100% RR, right? So for me, that's why I doesn't really look at it. To be totally honest, R is very subjective, so I don't know. That's me personally. Would you know? Would you note? Not. Oh, sorry. Would you not say GA was a fake out on the 15-minute session? Uh, yeah, it can be a fake out. Yeah, definitely. Definitely, it's a fake out on the 15-minute. Like this one previously here, right here. But again, this one 8,000 number, it's a very, very, very strong level. So we can expect price above this to reject that. We call that an overshot. So overshot's going to create a rejection, and yeah. So usually until 250, you can expect price to reverse and come back down under that QP. But That's exactly what it did. And as right now, GA is still respecting at this stage this level, so we need to see where this candle is going to close. But if this candle closes back in this range as a bullish candle, that looks like a setup I took Monday. You guys remember? Looking at the left. So if you guys saw the Forex talk over here from Wednesday, I broke down the, was it Monday or Tuesday trade? I can't remember. Or was it Wednesday? I think it was Wednesday trade. Look at the left, look at this, and look at this. Support at the same area, support at the same area, support at the same area. And what happened after? Boom, 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 right? So that's something I'm going to be looking at.
It's literally saying chart, just send it to you. Same thing.
Oh, look at this, boy. Here. Where is it? Oh.
I didn't send it.
Oh, okay.
You see how it rejected? It's QP now.
Yeah.
977.
Yeah.
Rejected. On the 1 hour. Same.
Yep, definitely. Here. What is the what? Sorry. Oh yeah, that was from yesterday, I think. Yeah, that was yesterday, I think, or the day before. He announced that. Yeah, it's yeah, pretty big news, man. Pretty big news. Yeah, I don't know, man. It's probably gonna drop for a little while, but it's gonna come back straight up, I guess. That's my I don't know. I don't do stock. I got look at this. Now since that GME thing, GameStop, everyone's like, "Oh, are you doing stock?" I had people asking me, "Are you doing stock?" Like, no, I don't trade stock. I might own some, but I don't trade those. It's like asking a dentist to be a surgeon. It's just like doesn't make sense. You know, it's just like yeah, it all comes back to focusing on one thing. You know, it all comes back to that, guys. Don't try to be a surgeon being a dentist at the same time. It's not gonna work. You know, it's not gonna work. It's like going after many pairs. It's not gonna work. It's like going after many women's. Guess what? It's not gonna work. You might be a good player. It might work for you. You might be the exception, but usually it will not work. So we're doing overtime here. Yeah, we're timing it over. Nice stream, Sasha. Thank you for Forex. When is the stream tonight? 6 p.m. Eastern. 6 p.m. Eastern. I'm gonna have the Forex talk over beer. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You'll know when I go live, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Dogtail, and don't forget to activate notification because last time there's some people that was pissed because they didn't knew when I was going live, but I think you need to subscribe and you also need to activate notification. So, hello, this is my first time sending chart and I'm pretty new to trading. Can you take a look? Since you are new and it's your first one, we're gonna do it. Let's take a look. Oh, I can already feel that this is gonna be what, guys? It's gonna be a wrong chart. Copy that. I have a pretty good feeling that oh yeah, missing an X. So I'm gonna save you the embarrassment and I'm gonna do it for you. Oh, even that it doesn't work. God damn. So basically what you need to do, guys, if it's your first time trying to send a chart, I'm going to be nice with you. So you basically need to grab your arrow here, need to click on camera. And if you're on YouTube, oops, you need to grab from this bar, grab the X, copy, and paste it, right? So just that part, from that slash bar to the last slash bar. and you have 2 minutes to send it, because after that I'm going to be ending this. I just want to give you a chance. Gen C. How can I send you my layout on TradingView? Oh, I guess I just answered that. What sell TP would you recommend for gold? I'm currently short with a free trade. Oh, I guess you had break even. So, I mean, that's something that drives me a little crazy when someone asks that. And the reason why, I don't want to be rude again, but if you're entering a trade, you should know when and where to get out, and you should know when and where to grab profit. This is it's like saying, yeah, I'm going on a trip. Get in your car and buy, like, I don't know where we're going, but we're going, just like, so I mean, you need to establish like a route, like a plan. So this is really important, right? So if you're on a sell right now, I mean, you need to make sure you secure profit when you hit that zone, and after that, man, you can let this runner run. I mean, I would be securing like at least 80%. That's this for me personally, 80 to 90%. And in this zone, look at this here. It's a lot of noise here. So personally, for me, I would have been grabbing this, close all, and I'm good. It's Friday. Don't be greedy. Grab your money and run. Just go have fun. So, but that's me personally. Man, before, man, I was so greedy. I was horrible, man. Holy sh! What? All right. So Gen C. Sorry. So here is your last chance. Because after that, I'm closing this. And you miss one slash bar, but I'm gonna help you here. What? Oh, it wasn't me? Oh, yeah. Was it? He's missing that bar. And I say she, but I don't know. So that should be good, right? Yep. Not working.
Can't you just copy it?
No, just, yeah, I copy it. But I copy it, but the problem is that I need to.
About, like, I have a screenshot thing. Actually, it just says copy it on Trader.
Oh, yeah, but you cannot paste that link on YouTube. Yeah, on YouTube you just you cannot. Can't. So here is the X. This. Yeah, so I don't know what's going on with TradingView. Sorry, Gen C. Maybe you can send it to me on Instagram. So, all right. So, guys, thank you very, very, very much for watching. This was my first big stream, so hopefully it was good for you. And if it was, share the good news. We're gonna be here also Monday, Tuesday, with the Market Fluidity Gang. Kerwin's gonna be jumping on. Charlene, Stefanos, Mac. So we're gonna be fun. We're gonna be a lot of fun. Make sure you're there, and I'll be fixing the Zoom. Don't worry. And yeah, and tonight Forex Talk over beer. So thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you'll know next time we go live. And don't forget to go give a like to the stream. Thank you very much, guys. I see you tonight and Monday. Take care. Thank you very much. Very appreciate Jasper. Thank you. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you.